theorizing that it's part of an ongoing gang conflict between the Rome gang that is based in the St. Andrew Central Division and the William Lane gang, which is based in Kingston Western Division. Further information suggests that rival gang members attended a popular nightclub located in the marketplace along Constant Spring Road. After leaving the club, members of the Rome gang were traveling in the motor car along Molynes Road when two men who we believe are aligned to the William Lane gang and traveling on a motorcycle opened gunfire on the said motor car being driven by the now deceased. The motor car collided with the motorcycle, which resulted in serious injuries to the rider and the pillion rider. We have seen a very quick response by the police, and this led to the recovery of two firearms from the scene. One, an M16 rifle with 2 magazines, and a Taurus pistol with 2 magazines. 2 men from the motor car have been taken into custody in regards to investigations into criminal activities across the corporate area. We at this time are seeking 2 other persons of interest. One goes by the name of Mushi Gushi and Whistle. We believe that these persons can assist us in our investigations regarding this particular incident, and we are therefore asking them to report to the RFHE CIB by 6 p.m. today.